What actually happens when you run every single day? Not once in a while, not when motivation hits. Every day. At first, it feels simple. Just shoes, just a road, just movement. You tell yourself it's just cardio, just something to stay active. But your body knows something bigger is happening. The first few days are honest. Your breathing feels loud. Your legs feel heavier than you expected. Your heart feels like it's working overtime. You start strong. You slow down sooner than you planned. You become very aware of every step. Your body isn't used to this rhythm yet. Your lungs search for air. Your calves tighten. Your feet feel the ground more than you want. And your mind starts negotiating. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe just a shorter run. Maybe walking is fine. But you run anyway. And that decision is where change begins. Because running every day isn't just training your legs. It's teaching your body a new normal. Your heart starts adapting first. It becomes more efficient. It pumps more blood with less effort. It stops panicking under demand. What once felt intense starts feeling manageable. Your resting heart rate drops. Your recovery gets faster. You don't feel as winded doing simple things. Stairs feel easier. Walking feels lighter. Your body feels more capable. Then your lungs begin to change. They don't grow bigger, they get smarter. They learn how to exchange oxygen more efficiently. They learn how to stay calm under effort. Breathing becomes smoother, more rhythmic, less frantic. You stop gasping. You start controlling. That control changes how you experience effort. Running stops feeling like survival. It starts feeling like flow. Your muscles respond next. Your calves get stronger. Your hamstrings become more elastic. Your quads learn endurance. At first, soreness shows up everywhere. Your legs feel tight in the morning. Your hips feel stiff. Your feet feel tender. But your body adapts. Muscle fibers strengthen. Tendons become more resilient. Your stride becomes more efficient. You waste less energy. Each step costs less. That's when you notice something strange. You're running the same distance, but it feels easier. Not because you're pushing less, because your body is working better. Your metabolism responds quietly. Running every day increases energy demand. Your body learns how to access stored fuel more efficiently. You burn calories, but more importantly, you improve how your body uses them. Fat becomes a usable energy source. Blood sugar regulation improves. Energy levels stabilize. You don't crash as hard. You don't feel as sluggish. You feel more awake. Then there's your joints. This is where people get scared. They assume running every day destroys knees and ankles, but the truth is more nuanced. If your running is reckless, rushed and unbalanced, yes, joints suffer. But when your running is controlled and consistent, your joints adapt. Cartilage responds to load. Tendons become stronger. Ligaments become more resilient. Your body learns how to absorb impact. Your stride becomes smoother. Your foot strike becomes lighter. You stop slamming into the ground. You start gliding. Your nervous system adapts too. Running is repetitive, rhythmic, predictable. That rhythm trains your nervous system to stay calm under stress. Your body learns how to regulate effort. You don't spike panic. You don't overreact. That carries into life. Stress feels different. When something difficult happens, your body doesn't go straight into fight or flight. You've practiced staying calm under physical stress. That translates into emotional control. Your mind begins to change. Running every day creates a daily meeting with yourself. No screens, no distraction, just you and the road. At first your thoughts are loud. Work, problems, conversations, worries. Your mind replays everything. But over time, something shifts. Your thoughts slow down. Your breathing anchors you. Your attention becomes more present. Running becomes moving meditation. Your body moves. Your mind releases. This is where many people feel the biggest benefit. Mental clarity. Problems feel smaller. Decisions feel easier. Stress feels more manageable. Not because life changed, because your nervous system did. Your mood changes too. Running increases endorphins, but more importantly, it builds emotional regulation. You learn that discomfort is temporary, that effort passes, that your body can handle stress. That knowledge builds resilience. You don't avoid hard things as quickly. You don't panic under pressure. You've practiced staying in motion when it's uncomfortable. Your sleep improves, not just because you're tired, but because your circadian rhythm stabilizes. Your body understands effort and recovery. You fall asleep faster. You sleep deeper. You wake up feeling more refreshed. Recovery becomes part of the system. Your immune system benefits. Consistent moderate stress strengthens immune response. Your body becomes better at handling inflammation. You get sick less often. You recover faster when you do. Then there's body composition. Running every day doesn't just burn calories. It changes how your body is shaped. Your legs become leaner. Your core becomes more active. Your posture improves. Your arms swing more naturally. Your shoulders relax. Your chest opens. You carry yourself differently. Not tense, not stiff, athletic. Your confidence grows quietly. Not because you look different, but because you feel capable. You know you can move. You know you can endure. You know you can finish. That identity matters. You stop seeing yourself as someone who tries to be active. You become someone who runs. That shift is powerful, because identity drives behavior. When you see yourself as a runner, you protect that habit. You eat better without forcing it. You hydrate more naturally. You think about recovery. Your lifestyle aligns. But running every day also teaches humility. There will be days when your legs feel heavy, days when your breathing feels off, days when your pace is slower for no clear reason. Those days matter because they teach you to listen. You learn the difference between pushing and respecting limits. Smart runners don't run hard every day. They run consistently. Some days easy, some days steady, some days faster. That variation protects your body. It allows adaptation without breakdown. Running every day isn't about crushing yourself. It's about showing up. Your connective tissues adapt slower than muscles. Tendons need time. Bones need gradual load. That's why patience matters. When running is built progressively, your body becomes more durable, not fragile. Your feet strengthen. Your arches become more supportive. Your lower legs become resilient. You stop feeling beat up. You start feeling trained. Mentally, you become more disciplined. Running removes excuses, weather, mood, energy. You learn to move anyway. Not recklessly, intentionally. That discipline spills into other areas: work, relationship, goals. You stop waiting to feel ready. You start acting. That's one of the biggest hidden benefits. Action before comfort. Running teaches you that movement creates momentum. You don't wait to feel motivated. You run, and motivation follows. Your appetite changes. You become more aware of what fuels you. Heavy, low-quality food feels different. Hydration matters more. Your body gives clearer feedback. You listen. Your body becomes a system you understand, not something you fight. One of the most powerful changes is how you handle discomfort. Running teaches you that discomfort isn't danger. Burning lungs, heavy legs, racing heart. They're signals, not threats. You learn to stay calm inside those sensations. That skill changes how you handle pain, stress, and uncertainty. You don't panic as quickly. You breathe. You continue. Over time, running every day reshapes how you see yourself. Not as fragile, not as limited, capable, reliable, resilient. You trust your body more. And when you trust your body, you trust your decisions. You don't second-guess everything. You move forward. That confidence isn't loud, it's stable. And that stability changes everything. Running every day doesn't just make you fitter. It makes you harder to shake, physically, mentally, emotionally. Not because running is magic, but because consistency rewires systems. Your heart, your lung, your muscles, your nervous system, your mindset, all adapt quietly, gradually, until one day, you realize something. Running isn't something you do anymore. It's part of who you are. And that's what actually happens When you run every single day,